Hi, my name is Federico Ivan Kemp Briano and I'm from Mexico. I have a college degree in music production and interpretation with specialty in contemporary music. So if you want to learn to play the guitar or to improve in it, or also if you are interested in other topics such as solfeggio, composition, recording, music theory, or music history, I hope I can help you in the process by being your teacher. I have a 10-year experience playing the guitar and 8-year experience as an independent musician. I've been the principal composer in my own bands and for the other artists, and also I have made music for theater. My approach in classes is personal. I want my students to be comfortable so they can learn better. In my 5 years as teacher, I was always being able to give them the perfect tools for their needs. Taking different genres such as blues, jazz, rock, Bossa Nova, and even Ranchero. In that way, my students have always been the best version of themselves and achieving their goals. I believe that knowledge is worthless if it's not shared. So, if you are as passionate as me for the music and you want to be my student, it will be an honor for me to be your teacher. Thank you.